All right, out here with Raghu. How you doing, man?
Good, good. How are you, man?
Pretty good, pretty good. So, what brings you out here to the airport with this jumpsuit harness on, man?
Thought I'll just play today.
Yeah, going skydiving. So, your buddies Naveen and Artie here. They just jumped. What's up, guys?
He's not jumping. He's scared of jumping. So.
So you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Got any advice for Raghu here, getting ready to jump?
Don't be nervous, it's okay.
We're gonna have some fun, man. So, you excited for this?
Yes.
Ready to go?
Yes.
All right, man. So, before we go do this death-defying leap, what do you got to say to everyone at home?
Go blue.
Yeah, give me a high five. Let's do it.
Go blue.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Smile for the camera. Yeah, give me a high five. Good job, man. Pretty cool, huh? All right, Raghu, buddy. What'd you think? Awesome skydive, man. You rocked that. Woo! So we're down safe. Welcome back to Earth. Thanks for coming out.
Thanks so much, man.
What do you got to say to everybody now?
Oh, everyone has to do this.
Gotta get out here and do it. Look, we're at the beach. Woo-hoo! One more big smile.